Imagine a morning where the world stirs quietly. The sun rises, casting a golden hue across a mountain pass. A sleek three-wheeled machine glides silently along a trail. This is not just any ride. This is the 2025 Future Trek Camper Tricycle. Built for explorers, dreamers, and anyone who finds peace in motion, the Future Trek redefines sustainable travel. With its electric-powered drivetrain and lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum frame, it offers the freedom of a bike and the comforts of a tiny home. Let's start with design. The tricycle's aerodynamic curves and matte-finished shell minimize drag while turning heads. Its modular body adapts for different terrain. Switch from city cruising to off-road adventure with a tap on the integrated control panel. Each wheel is independently suspended, making rocky paths feel like freshly paved roads. The front wheels feature regenerative braking, feeding power back into the 2.5 kilowatt battery pack, while the rear hub motor delivers smooth, quiet acceleration. With a full charge, you get up to 150 kilometers of range, or even more with solar assist. Yes, solar. The roof of the camper shell houses foldable solar panels, which deploy automatically when parked. These panels generate enough power during the day to keep your devices charged and your ride ready. Whether you're in the forest, by the beach, or in the desert, the Future Trek keeps going. Step inside, or rather, unfold. With the press of a button, the camper shell lifts, revealing a surprisingly spacious interior. A telescoping roof creates over 6 feet of headroom. The walls expand outward like wings, increasing floor space by 40%. Inside, you'll find a smart layout designed with minimalism and utility in mind. There's a foldable bed that converts into a seating area, a compact desk with a built-in display for work or entertainment, and hidden storage compartments for gear, clothing, and essentials. The kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, collapsible sink, and a 10-liter freshwater tank. A small refrigerator keeps perishables cool, and all appliances are powered directly from the solar-charged battery system. Temperature inside is regulated by a high-efficiency thermal system, insulating you from both heat and cold. At night, soft LED lighting and ambient sounds create a peaceful sleeping environment, no matter where you are. What makes the Future Trek truly unique, though, is its intelligent assistant. Powered by AI, it helps with route planning, weather tracking, and campsite recommendations. It even monitors your biometric stats, heart rate, fatigue, hydration, adjusting driving suggestions to match your energy levels. Safety is built in from the start. Integrated 360-degree cameras provide blind spot detection and terrain awareness. At night, adaptive lighting ensures visibility without disturbing nature. But the experience is more than just the sum of its parts. It's about what the Future Trek lets you do. Disconnect from the noise, reconnect with nature, and go further, literally and figuratively, than ever before. It's compact enough to navigate narrow forest trails, but strong enough to haul over 200 kilograms of gear. Whether you're a digital nomad, solo traveler, or weekend warrior, this is your vehicle for the road less traveled. No emissions, no noise, just you, the horizon, and a machine designed to blur the line between transport and home. The 2025 Future Trek Camper Tricycle, where journey meets sanctuary.